Hi there, this is Sanjay here again, and I really appreciated you watched the video and definitely learned something. It's really a pleasure for me to teach you again because I told you before we are making for the 5 years, but I just completed the first year so that the video will not go very long, right? So I'm just going to teach you another one how we go for this 2014, 15, 16, and 17. Now it's very easy. So when you make the first one, you already put the order there or the formula, then you have to just drag the formula and you'll get everything. Like I'll give you the example. So like you can put any figure over there. If you can put 180,000, right? So just consider your revenue is 180,000 and your cost of goods sold is 80,000, right? So you doesn't need to put the formula again here. You just drag the formula from here, right, and just drag up to the end. It's 180 minus 80, you get 100,000 already, right? So just drag the formula again and you get the percentage as well, right? It's a 56%. That's amazing. So just drag to the end so that you just put the figure, just put the figure there and you get all the data, all the answers, right? You have to just, okay, you will not get here anything because you don't have a value up there. So just put the value up there. You think it's like a 150,000, right? And then you can say your cost of goods sold is 17,000. Just enter. So it's a 80, it is a gross profit, and 53% is a gross profit, right? And you can put anything here like 165, right? And you can put here how much you want it. 65. All right, you will get 61%. That's good. And if you get here 119, you're earning a lot. Then just go here 80, not 80, just 95, right? So you will get the 50% of gross margin, right? The same over here, just put the value and you get all the things there, right? Like 800, 8,000, 700, right? 1,200, right? And you have to just drag the formula from here to there and you get all the answers, right? And even for this you have to just drag the formula and you will get all the answers, right? And here you have to just drag all the formula, you get all the answer, but you have to put, there is no expenses, so that's why it's a 53%, right? The 53% of the gross profit is like a same, and you just put the value there, 75, rent 65, right? And 1,400, right? Okay, so you can put here 65, right? You can put here anything you want, right? Anything. Rent is like 8,000, right? Put here depreciation 17, right? You get all the answer, right? Because this is your constant number, this is your formula. So I put the constant number in blue so that it cannot be changed with the formula, but black are like a, you can say black are the formulas, that why keep changing, right? You put here like 9,000, put here 7,700, okay, that's all right. 65, that's all right. And you got 72. If you want to put this black as well, because this is a formula, so you can keep it black, that's okay, right? The same you can go here, like interest is 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, right? 2,200, right? And what else? 2,100. Okay, so 1,700, 1,600, or you can go like 1,500, and you can go 2,000, right? Just drag the formula and you get you will get everything like this. You get it, right? Just drag up to there. You get it, right? Just drag up to there. Oh, sorry. And you get all the earning before tax, right? Okay, so this is a taxes. Even you don't need to struggle. You already put the 30% over there. Just go there. It will just calculate 30% altogether, right? Just go there. It will calculate for you. Just go there. It will calculate for you. So that's so easy. So you need to just spend time on your first year. Then after that, you just drag the formula. You get all the answers straight away, right? Okay, so I hope you understand all these concepts and you really enjoyed it, and definitely you learned something as well, right? Okay, so this is how we make the formulas and how we drag the formulas, right? Okay, so if you understand that, please comment, and if you don't understand, just comment as well, and I'll let you know how to make the formulas and how the Excel works and you drag it, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much. And in the next video, I'll do some adjustments and how to calculate depreciation and outstanding expenses at prepaid rent, as well how to calculate the interest, right? So all sort of things, whatever is necessary, I'll just put everything in the video, right, for you. Thank you very much. Enjoy it. Have a good day. Thank you.